A point is nothing but a small dot made with pencil or pen. A point shows a position. It has no length, breadth or thickness. Capital letters are used to represent a point. Points marked very close together makes up a line. It can extend indefinitely on both sides. A and B are the 2 points on the line. The arrowheads on both sides show that the line can be extended on both sides. A line can be represented as AB or a line has no thickness. We cannot find length for a line as we don't have beginning or an end. Its length cannot be measured. A line segment is a part of a line. In this line, the part of the line between A and B is called line segment. It is denoted as AB. We can measure the length of the line segment as it has beginning and an end. A ray has a beginning but no end. It can be represented as the lines which are not straight are called curved lines. To measure the length of the line segment AB, you need a ruler. Ruler has 0 to 15 centimeter markings on it. To measure a line segment, 1. Place a ruler along the line segment. 2. Adjust it so that the 0 mark on the ruler is at one end A of the line segment. 3. Read the ruler mark at the other end B of the line segment. 4. This gives the length of the line segment. AB equal to 6 centimeters. To draw a line segment of length 8 centimeters, 1. Place the ruler on the paper and press it with one hand. 2. With a pencil, mark point A against the 0 mark on the ruler. 3. Mark point B against the 8 centimeter mark on the ruler. 4. Join the 2 points A and B. This gives the line segment of length 8 centimeters. Figures which can be drawn on flat surfaces such as paper, blackboard, land, etc. are called plane figures. A square, rectangle, triangle, circle come under plane figures. Look at this picture. ABCD is a square. A square has 4 sides AB, BC, CD, AD. 4 corners A, B, C, D. The corners are also called as vertices. All sides of a square are equal. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. Rectangle. Look at this picture. ABCD is a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides AB, BC, CD, AD. 4 corners or vertices A, B, C, D. Opposite sides are equal sides. That is, length of AB equal to length of CD and length of BC equal to length of AD. Triangle. Look at this picture. ABC is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides AB, BC, CA. 3 corners or vertices A, B, C. Circle. Look at this picture. A circle has no sides, no corners or vertices.